Slim, and we do see these once in a while. They come in. This is the smallest NAS Synology makes, and you can see my hand. This is a tiny board. This is actually a big Slim. Most Slims are like the size of a cell phone. If you've ever had one, it's a 4-bay NAS that only fits the small drives, the 3.5. So like those laptop size drives. So it's only the size of your iPhone, or your Droid. So in a previous video, I talked about LAN protection. And this is a board I can't save. I told the customer about this. I've actually used it as a parts board. I've had it here for a few months, but I happened to be going through mine, and I thought I would add to my video I did on Surge. And you can see what does when things get hit with lightning in the network. What happens? I mean, there is like nothing can be done here. In fact, I don't know if you can spot it, but there's actually 3 chips that took a dump. So this guy, I got him off. This guy, he got blown apart, and this guy just a hole blew open. And it's not a cheap unit. I wish I could save it. I still might go back at it and see what I can do, but it's stuff like this that I try to tell people. Here's what happens when Surge comes into your NAS. This, by the way, is a SATA controller. So not only did the LANs get hit, but this stuff travels inside. I even reached the drives. The customers, I don't remember the customer saying he lost his drives in it, but it's this kind of stuff that just can't be fixed. We try, I try, and I'll go through all kinds of hoops. This board, when you even apply power, it starts glowing here like a light bulb. So I got some digging out to do to separate some layers, and maybe possibly can save it. So these 2 LAN chips were fried. SATA controller got fried as well. So all 3 will come off. Well, 2, one's off, but this one has some layer damage, so you have to fix that one up a little bit. And I save usually most of these. It wasn't worth it on a 620 with the costs involved, so I kind of use it as a parts board, but I might jump at it. The main thing is it has an Altera on it I could use if one ever dies. But the main part of this video is just to show you what happens with lightning damage. So it can get pretty rough sometimes. So thanks for stopping by.